So this is the final look. So what do you think, mga queen? Hi guys, for today's video, this is my updated makeup routine. So let's start with skin prep. Kung mapapansin nyo, this is my face looks like, and currently I'm breaking out here, some parts of my face. So I already washed my face. Let's go to the toner. This is from Andua. Kumuha lang ako ng isang piraso. Then, spread ko siya all over my face. Tapos after nyan, tatapatan ko lang siya ng mini pan. Face looks like after putting the toner, ang healthy tignan, ang glowy, and ang radiant niyang tignan. Ready na for makeup pero hindi pa tayo tapos with skin prep. I will be using this Numbuzin Glutathione TXA Advanced Dark Spot Ampule Concentrate. And I put it all over my face like serum. Tapos, yung finish niya, tacky siya para kapag naglagay pa tayo ng other layer is mag-stick talaga siya. So for moisturizer, I will be using Hyalu Aqua Plus with Hydra Ceramide Technology Deep Hydrating Gel. Look at that. Look how the gel looks like. Easy to blend and at the same time, madali din siya ma-absorb. Hindi siya malagkit and it's really give healthy, radiant, and glowy look. It's really perfect underneath makeup. It's because this really prep your skin before putting any makeup on, and at the same time, this is perfect for all skin types. And most especially if you have oily combination skin that looking for a perfect moisturizer. By the way, I've been testing this one for almost a week, and I will do a separate video on this product. When I'm doing my makeup, I make sure that my skin is really prepped. Look at that. Ang ganda ng aking skin even though may mga breakout ako dyan. For primer, I will be using this SPF BFF from Get Ready With Me. Isa talaga to sa inamats ko this year as is sunscreen, primer, and moisturizer in one. But if I want a glowy skin, eto ang ginagamit. Tsaka nakadalawang tube na ako neto. This is my second bottle and paubos na din siya. Grabe talaga yung amats ko this year etong product na to. Color corrector, I will be using Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Yung kanilang green beach, green corrector, and medium warm peach na color, peach corrector. So, etong green, gagamitin ko siya dito sa mga active pimple ko and lagay ko lang siyang ganyan. This is the Fresh Matte Variant by the way. So, hindi nyo kailangan ng makapal na foundation. Kailangan nyo ng magandang color corrector. And this is the proper way of doing color corrector and spot concealing. And this is one of the best color corrector. Yung Fresh Matte kasi it has a medium buildable coverage. So, ngayon spot concealing naman tayo. This is the Get Ready With Me as well. So, I'm using in the shade Umber or Amber. Ayan. So, ayan. This is my same shade concealer. Then, gamit na ako ng brush. Doon tayo maglalagay sa mga color corrector na nilagyan natin. My lip prep recently. So this is my very first foundation. This is the Superstay Lumi Matte in the shade 125. And grabe, hindi ko na rin siya masyadong nagagamit lately. It's because ang dami ko ng base product na tinetest out na ilalagay ko sa makeup kit. And definitely, isa to talaga sa OG na foundation. Sobrang ganda ng formula. Not too thick, not too runny. It's just in the middle. But the coverage and how it performs on the skin, look at that. Ang ganda ng lapat niya. Hindi siya sobrang flat matte, hindi rin siya sobrang dewy. It's just in the middle, kaya nga lumimat eh. The best concealer that I have is from Absidy. Lately, ito din, isa din to sa best purchases ko this year. Sobrang ganda nito. And meron na din siyang built-in applicator but I'm not really fan of that. So, gagamitin ko na lang tong brush na ginamit natin kanina. I thought na hindi siya mag-work on my skin tone but look at that. Actually, this is more on my same shade concealer. Pero, yung effect niya kasi nagbibigay siya ng extra brighten effect to my under eyes and it's really covered without making it gray ganon. So kung liquid blush din lang naman ang usapan, isa din ito sa pinaka best purchases ko na liquid blush. This is from Get Ready With Me, yung kanilang milk tint in the shade Lychee. Grabe, dati pangarap ko lang talaga itong shade na to kasi it's too light pero once it's applied to my cheeks, it's more on fresh side. Look at that. Ang ganda niya talaga. Ang fresh nung effect na nabibigay niya on my cheeks. And ang ganda ng formula niya kasi it's blendable. The same time, it's a buildable color. Hindi ka kaagad yung masusurprise. And look at that. So look how fresh this blush is. This is with and this is with. So for my bronzer, this is the best bronzer in the local market and nanalo to ng award. I don't remember kung anong award dun, basta best bronzer siya. This is the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Glam and Ghost Sticks. So I will be using the shade Toast. Looks intimidating at first but once it's blended, it's hell no. And same brush lang din yung gagamitin ko. Look at that. Look how natural it looks like on my skin. So for contour, this is one of the best contour that I have. This is from Strokes, so yung kanilang face scalp in the shade Almond. This is a perfect neutral shade of contour. Ayan siya. Hindi siya sobrang cool tone, hindi rin naman siya sobrang warm. Katulad ng bronzer, easy to blend and it's really mimic the shadow on my cheeks, on my jawline. Look how gorgeous. This is with the contour side and this is without. As you can see, flat siyang tignan here. And dito meron siyang konting shadow na nagbibigay. So one of my use and abuse na powder, this is from Dazzle Me, yung kanilang Acne Armor Compact Powder. I'm in the shade N04 Natural Wheat. And look at that. It has a blurring. This is really good for oily skin. And look how I hit pan this powder. Simula nung na-receive ko to, sobrang in love talaga ako with this powder kasi it can help to last my makeup long. So this is the set with powder and this is without powder. My holy grail na pangkilay, sobrang ubos na to. Actually, sinisimot ko na lang to. Kasi ubos na ubos ko to. Ever since na-receive ko to, early this year, ito na lang talaga yung ginamit ko na pangkilay. Maganda siya. One of the best brow pen naman na meron ako is from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, yung kanilang Brow Pen Pro. So, kapag gusto kong mag-fill in and gusto ko ng natural, after ko maglagay ng brow gel is pinifill in ko na siya with brow pen. Isa din to sa inamats ko na eyeshadow palette. This is from Squad Cosmetics, yung kanilang Eye Series 8 color eyeshadow palette. Sobrang ganda nito. And ito yung na check out ko in the shade nude. This is really good for all skin tones and at the same time, this is good for everyday palette. As you can see, gamit na gamit ko yung palette na to. So, kahit isang shade lang dito, medyo powdery siya. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo, ewan ko kung napipick up ng camera, but ayan, mapa one eyeshadow color or smoky eyes, this is really good. Ang dami mo ng magagawang look with this eyeshadow, day to night eyeshadow, ganon. Eyeliner, hindi ako masyadong ma-eyeliner kasi nga, yung kung ano yung brow pen, yun lang din yung ginagamit ko as eyeliner. Pero so far, yung pinakamagandang eyeliner na meron ako is from Careline, yung Grab Ink liner nila. That's the iconic eyeliner in the local market. This is the first time that I will use this curler from Polas, yung kanilang classic curler, hindi to yung Lashes Supreme, yung classic nila, yung unang-unang curler nila. Ang ganda ng pagka-curl niya and maglalagay lang ng mascara. One of the best mascara launches this year. This is from Get Ready With Me, yung kanilang Lash Revolution Mascara. Hindi siya clumpy, hindi siya too wet, and hindi rin siya nag-smudge and nag-bleed. And yung pinaka gusto ko, hindi siya nagpapanda eye. So for blush and bronzer, I'm using this product. This is from Get Ready With Me and as you can see, hindi naman halata na gamit ko to. This is in the shade Pablo's Latte. The blush underneath is talagang na papagayan niya. And for my bronzer, as you can see, gamit na gamit ko din ito and yung highlighter. It looks more natural looking bronzer. And grabe, sobrang ang natural lang talaga nito on my skin. And this is a super gandang shade ng blush. Mapaanong skin tone ka, this is really good. And pag ito yung gamit ko na powder blush, ang daming nagtatanong sa akin what blush I'm wearing with because it's suitable on my skin tone. For highlighter naman, ito, one of the best lippy that I have, this is the, ewan ko kung gelatin to ng Easy. Ang ganda kasi ng shade niya, and ang ganda din ng, ayan na, look at that. Hindi siya too matte, hindi rin siya too dewy or glowy. And ang ganda din ng shade niya on my lips. Hindi niya na-emphasize yung mga two-tone lip ko or hindi siya nag-gray. So my first ever fixing spray from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, yung kanilang matte variant in Mini. And finalize ko ng look and magbabalik ako. So this is the final look. So what do you think mga queens? Just comment down below your requests and see you on my next one. Bye!